Not even 24 hours after an owner picked up his Cybertruck, his wife waved her hand while talking to someone, and her wedding ring cracked the windshield. The owner lived 10 minutes away from Tesla's Texas Cybertruck factory, but still have to wait 3 weeks for parts. The owner said the windshield is horribly weak. He has to wait 3 weeks because they are in back order. It's surprising that the Cybertruck windshield could crack so easily from a simple hand wave. According to Tesla, the Cybertruck windshield is rated to withstand Class 4 hail. A Class 4 rating is the highest possible rating. However, the Cybertruck in the real world doesn't appear to be as sturdy as maybe tests in the lab showed. One issue here might be the sheer size of the Cybertruck windshield. The Cybertruck glass is curved and crimped at the ends, which adds to the windshield's vulnerability.